Hello and welcome dear students in our today's English class. Today we are going to learn second lesson, that is odd one in, and the author of this lesson is Titi Tavora. What do you mean by odd? Odd means a person or thing that is different from other and does not fit easily into a group. So, in this lesson, we are going to see that how the odd one is going to be part of the particular group. So, before starting the lesson, I would like to introduce the main character of this lesson. There is a girl named Malti who has transferred from small town and she'll be getting admission in city school. The girl is very simple and intelligent. But when she is admitted in the school, she comes to know about the other girls who are very arrogant in their behavior, who are very unfriendly with her and insulting her. Then we will come to know finally her friendship with those girls and how the teachers treat her in the school. Students, you can take out your textbook, page number 3, 1.2, odd one in. So, this lesson begins with the conversation between Rima and her parents. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. As soon as Rima came home from the school, her mother asked her about the first day of the school. See, children, when you come from school, your parents also ask you about your school. How was your first day? About your teacher? What did teachers teach you? Etc. Same way, Rima was questioned by her mother. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. Shrugged means raise the shoulders slightly as if you don't care. And settling in means adjust. So, what did Rima reply? She said, okay. Students, when your school reopens, first few days goes in adjusting with new atmosphere like new class, new teacher, new students, etc. So same thing happened with Rima. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Inquired means he asked. He asked to Rima that any new girls in your class? So her parents were excited. They inquired about her day and new student. So what did Malti reply? There is only one girl and her name is Malti and she's funny. And grimaced means, students, what do you see in this picture? This picture shows the ugly expression of disgust, means something unpleasant. So, this is the meaning of grimaced. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. Now, Mr. Sen wanted to know why Rima found Malti to be funny. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. Rima replies that why she doesn't like Malti. That is, she finds Malti to be funny because Malti can't speak good English or she can't speak fluent English and she has come from another state. Sniffed Rima. Here, sniffed means to show dislike. Okay, to make sounds from your nose to show dislike to something or someone, to someone. Now, naming one at the other end of the country. So, she mentioned from which state Malti had come. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. So now Mr. Sen told her that the state from which Malti had come All the children from that state are very clever, and especially they are good at maths. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi, and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. So Rima replies that, Daddy, you're wrong. She does not look that smart. She has oil in her hair, that she puts oil in her hair, and she puts a bindi on her forehead and all. That means she's dressed differently. And Rima mimicked means to copy or to imitate, to say exactly the way another person says. So Rima mimicked, said, Good morning, teacher. So that is the way Malti wished to their teacher. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her. But she could be insufferable at times. Insufferable means unpleasant way of behaving. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. Sighed means a long, deep breath. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Now here Rima's parents they looked at each other means what? They are not happy with their daughter's behavior. Rima was their only child and they just loved their daughter like anything. But at the same time, they are not approving Rima's behavior towards other children in the class, especially Malti, because she has just come and she actually doesn't know how Malti is. But still, Rima is having her own opinion about Malti without knowing her properly. And Rima's parents advised to her that Malti should be treated properly by Rima and her friends. But what Rima and her friends had already thought of, they should trouble Malti to such an extent that Malti ends up crying. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused, Good morning. Now, the next morning, when Malti entered the class, Rima and her friends chorused. Chorused means in one voice they mimicked Malti and they said, Good morning. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. Normally, we don't say good morning, we say good morning. But they were trying to imitate in that they were trying to tease Malti by saying exactly the way she said it. Malti did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them. Beamed back means she smiled at them and replied, Good morning. So, very innocently, she replied back to them. So, now another girl, Shahnaz, giggled. Giggled means to laugh. And asked, Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Rudely means in an insulting way. Now, poor Malti looked offended but did not reply. She felt very, very bad. Here she wanted to make friendship with them. But these girls, they were talking very rudely with her. And the skirt so long, said Claire catily. Now another girl, Claire, she started teasing her about her skirt. She said, Your skirt is so long. Catily means teasingly in an unkind way to hurt someone. Malti flushed. Flushed means she felt insulted. She felt ashamed of herself. She was about to say something. She was going to say something back to Shahnaz and Claire. But just then the teacher entered the class. so she could not reply back. As the progressed, as the class continued, everyone was surprised to see Malti raised her hand whenever teacher asked a question. To raise hand means to answer the question that the teacher has asked. So they all were surprised. All the students were surprised. They thought that Malti was not a smart girl. So that is why all the students were surprised. Whenever teacher asked a question, Malti was the first one to answer. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. So each question that the teacher asked, Malti answered everything correctly. And teacher nodded. Nodded means to shake one's head up and down to say yes. In appreciation, teacher appreciated. She liked the way Malti had answered. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, "Sounds like a clever girl." That means Rima recounted means told, everything what had happened in school. How Malti answered the teacher's question. So her mom said, "Yes, it looks like Malti is a clever girl." "What's the use?" said Rima uncharitably. So here, Rima did not like that her mother praised Malti. So she is saying, "What's the use of all this?" Uncharitably means to say it without any appreciation for other person not liking it. Her English is so atrocious. So Rima points out Malti's English and she says that her English is so atrocious. Atrocious means very poor and not so good. The same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. Now Mr. Sen was getting irritated the way Rima was treating Malti. So he replied to that, "Same way how your Hindi is," means Rima's Hindi was not very good. Countered means replied back Mr. Sen. Sharply means in very angry tone. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Means he was getting irritated of Rima's attitude. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night, Rima's parents discussed the matter. That means they felt very bad the way Rima was behaving with Malti. So they started discussing about it as to how to explain it to Rima. "We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she's turning into quite a little snob," said Mr. Sen sadly. So, the reason why they had put Rima into a good school so that she becomes smart and confident, but they were scared that she was turning out to be a little snob. Snob, a person who likes only people who are of high social class or rich and has no respect for people in the lower class. Here, Mr. Sen felt that she was not being very good at behaving with other people, so he was very sad about it. So, students, for today we will learn till here only. So, I expect you to read till where we have done. And remaining lesson, I'll be doing it in the next class. Thank you.